Hey guys, Terrence here. Today I'm going to give you guys a brief update on what I've been doing over the last few months. I know I haven't posted any content, but I'm going to share with you guys what I've been doing. I've been currently renovating the house we moved into, and I'm done with it. And now I'm into our property that we've stayed in for 15 years, and I'm renovating it pretty much by myself. Well, I'm going to do the whole entire project by myself. With this one, I had a little help, but I did 90% of the work in this one as well. So guys, when I get done with this last project in the near future, I'm gonna do a project for a lucky subscriber for free, whether it be me fixing their car or they may have a small room, they won't renovate it. I'm gonna do it for free. All they have to do is buy the material, and I'm gonna come to where they're at. I have all the tools for any job in the world, and I've been blessed with talent to fix anything. Like, I've been working on cars since I was 13 years old. I changed the engine. I'm looking for the pictures my dad got. They were my grandmother's. My grandmother took the pictures when I was a kid of me taking the engine out of a car. I was 13 years old, and she passed away, and we don't know where the pictures are. My dad said he has them somewhere, so hopefully he'll find them, and I'll post them for you guys. You guys see me in action as a young man, as a kid, taking engines out and fixing on cars. So I was passionate about it, and also my brother's older friend was a contractor, so I go out with him when I was that young too, watching him build houses and do stuff. So I learned both trades, and on video. Boom.
Yeah.
There I go, y'all. Tap on for me.
Face
the sky.
Go.
Let's see if I can get that air again. Damn, that was so good. That was a lot of air. I'm gonna share my talent with others. I was put here to help. I know this for a fact. I was put here to help. That's why I do the how-tos. It ain't about the funds, you know, although they come in handy, but I was put here to help and entertain in some way, shape, or form. So guys, I'm gonna be helping a subscriber. I'm gonna try to do one every month or one every 2 months. I'm gonna come to the lucky subscriber, and I'm gonna help them with their project. If we don't know what it is, if I've never done it before, we're gonna find out a way to do it. And like I said, I pretty much know how to do anything. I can fix anything. And I want you guys to go to our other channel, our new channel, and you guys can see me renovate this entire property and see me work and how I work. And if you like it, subscribe to that channel, man. Watch me, because I'll be uploading all the content from this project that I just completed to the current project I'm working on right now as I renovate this entire house. I won't post it in detail, but you guys will see every step of the way of me doing a project. And what I mean by detail is, since I don't have time to post how-tos on how to install a shower and shower doors or a toilet or do some electrical work there, I just want to show you guys each step I do along the way as I finish that project, and you guys can see the before and the after, and I'll take you guys through a journey with me doing this entire project. So go over there and check out that channel. I'll post the link in the description box, or you can probably see it flashing below the screen right now. But yeah, that's what I've been doing for the last couple months. Been trying to get this move completely done. I'm worn out. See, I haven't shaved in some time, but I'm working hard. That's all I know how to do, and to help others. So I was put here to help. I'm gonna do it. Subscribe to my channel. Let's get my subscribers up so I can do what I was put here to do, which is help others. I'm gonna travel. I'm gonna hop in my van, load up any tool I need for any job that the lucky subscriber need done, and we're gonna get it done for him or her. So subscribe to the channel. That's the update on me right now. Like I said, we're waiting on the pole barn to get finished up. I'm gonna show you guys all that too. I'm gonna give you guys some aerial footage of the drone I got. And we're gonna do a lot of stuff. I got a whole lot of stuff planned in the future. So subscribe to the channel. Who knows, maybe you'll be the lucky subscriber who will win my free services. So Terrence, and I'm out.